Hi, this is Luke Russell here with Algo, where we use alternative trading systems to identify winning market opportunities each and every day. ATSs are private exchanges that large institutions such as banks and hedge funds trade on, inaccessible to the investing public. It leaves the retail market completely in the dark when it comes to speed and transparency of information, and it often causes people to chase stocks and options a majority of their trading experience. Well, here at Algo, our AI is able to identify the top large, mid, and small cap opportunities with the most unusual signals of volume in these private exchanges so you can more confidently and successfully trade stocks and options following smart money. Same thing with the trending downside of the equation as the AI distributes between the small, mid, and large cap spaces. Well, let's go ahead and take a look at the trending downside of the equation. I want you guys to see how Wayfair, capital W, pops up with a 670% increase in institutional bearish volume. No surprises, the stock drops more than 16% as a result. Actually, throughout the course of the day at its maximum, the stock ended up dropping all the way down nearly 25%. Now, what our AI is detecting is that typically only $88 million of the stock is traded on a day-by-day average. Today, it was nearly $600 million. And it's important to get access to that signal early. If we go to our alerts page, you can see that our next generation artificial intelligence went through and found Wayfair at the beginning of the morning with a huge institutional signal at 8:11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, with 37 times the average amount of trending down volume that's normally seen there. If you had done transactions on Wayfair, which I'll show you here in just a second, very profitable in the triple-digit return space. And remember, we make it even simpler than a main dashboard, which is already easy enough. We have hired professional analysts that will go through and send out trade ideas to our users, served up on a silver platter. Brian Mitchell, our lead system analyst. Hey guys, we're doing the Wayfair $40 put option expiring February the 24th at $1.19 per contract. So we're going to go ahead and pull that to the side and take a look at how that Wayfair trade panned out. We're going to go to the $40 put option. Let's go to the chart, and we're just going to stick with the 15-minute candles because we already know the time and the price of entry. One more time, $1.19 sent at 10:07 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So $1.19 all the way up at the top. That's about a 364% return in total. Maybe you didn't even get in the trade until nearly noon Eastern Standard Time, and then you got out at a bad exit later on. That's still a 100% return, guys. The whole purpose is to get the information down here as opposed to getting the information up here or up here or up here. Now, we had members, a lot of members sharing amazing success stories. For example, this is one of them from a person who hopped on board for the trade alert. They say they got 10 contracts at a total of $1,090 on the total trade, and they ended up selling most of the contracts at a total of $6,560 for over $5,000 profit. Great trade, nice to be done with a market with over $5,000 in profit by 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We don't want people to miss out on the next big move. It's not just Wayfair. There are plenty of other opportunities. However, we don't have time for all of them, so let's just focus on Unity and Baba. You can see that there's huge increases in institutional bearish volume. No surprises when the stocks drop 6 and 9.5% as a result. We'll just take a quick look at Unity. And you can see that at the beginning of the day, the stock dropped from $35 all the way down to $30. Typically, only $198 million of the stock is traded, and then suddenly $604 million was traded today. So let's take a look at those signals on Unity and Baba here. We're going to see when our next generation AI picked up on those signals, 8:26 a.m. from private exchange volume, 1.6 times what's normally seen there. And then you could see Alibaba here at 9:31 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So let's go ahead and check out how those trades would have panned out. Let's go to Unity first. Let's see how the put options played out, and you can see massive triple and even quadruple digit winners. Let's say, for example, that you had done the $32 put option. We're going to stick with the 15-minute chart because we know that our AI picked it up in the pre-market. Options opened at 11 cents. At its maximum, it's a 1,351% return. Maybe you didn't even enter into the trade until 10 a.m. and you got out at a bad exit. That's still a triple-digit move. Let's go ahead and take a look at Baba here real quick. to round things out and finish things off, we're in the put option space. Again, massive triple-digit winners, anywhere from 200 to almost 400%. Let's say, for example, that you had done the $97 put option. We're going to go to the 1 minute chart on this one because remember, our AI picked it up at 9:31, the minute after the market opened. Let's take a look at 9:31 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Options for this strike were ranging at about 68 cents. At its maximum, that's a 625% return. Guys, stop getting your information too late. Stop seeing only a portion of the market and come join the winning team here at Trade Algo so you can find out how to get access to opportunities like these each and every day. Give us a call to find out how you can run through a one-on-one demonstration with a lead system analyst, or how you can attend any one of our free live webinars that take place every single day, Monday through Friday. Thanks, guys.